in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix turn on professional mode not showing on your Facebook profile. If the option is missing, don't worry, I will walk you through the exact steps to follow it. So first, open the Google Play Store or App Store and search for Facebook. If you see the update button, tap it. Using an outdated version of Facebook often hides new features like professional mode. So if updating doesn't help, clear your app cache. On Android, you need to go to settings, app, Facebook, storage, and clear cache. On iPhone, offload and reinstall the Facebook app. So after that, open Facebook again and check if the option appears. Now, professional mode may not show if your profile is logged. To check it, go to your profile, tap on the three dots, look for unlock profile. Once unlocked, refresh your profile and check for professional mode again. Make sure your account meets basic requirements. So you must be 18 years or older. Your profile should look complete. Add your bio, work information, and profile details. Some privacy settings set to friends only can hide the feature. Try switching some settings to public on your profile. And if you are on the mobile app, try logging in from facebook.com on a browser. Sometimes the professional mode option appears on desktop when it doesn't show on mobile. And step 6 is check region availability. Facebook rolls out features slowly in some countries. If professional mode isn't available yet in your region, the option may not appear. So trying a VPN or different device sometimes helps. So step 7 is report the problem to Facebook. If you have tried everything and still don't see the option, scroll to the bottom of Facebook and tap help and support, then report a problem. Explain that professional mode is missing from my profile and Facebook may enable it after review. And that's it for today's video. You can try these steps one by one and you should be able to fix the issue of professional mode not showing on Facebook. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.